Saan ba ang start dito? Yun, start. Alright, so here we are right now here at Davao Bike Shop. So meron tayong dalawang dumating na bikes, okay? Meron tayong Giant Talon 1 and the XTC SLR na nandyan, guys. So, right now, pag-uusapan natin muna ito, bike na ito. This is the Giant Talon 1. Meron din tayo dito, guys. Ito. Dalawang bikes na Talon 1. This is a Talon 1 na large ang frame. And this one is medium. Pero pag-uusapan natin or yung gagawin nating bike review is ito. Anong tawag yun? Bike. Ano ang tawag nun? So, tawag pala nito is bike check. So right now, magba-bike check tayo dito sa ating Talon 1. But before that, montage muna tayo. Let's get it on! So, ito na nga guys. This is Giant Talon 1 29er. So, ang size nito is medium. As you can see over here. Nandyan. Kikita nyo. 29er and medium. So, dito muna tayo sa cockpit niya guys. So, ang cockpit niya is 800 mm ang nakalagay dito. Okay? So, meron doon siya bell. Kasi, importante yan yun. Especially sa bike registrations, okay? So, ang nakalagay dito is Tektro the brake set niya, guys. Ayan. Okay? So, syempre, ito naman, ito ano niya, ito handlebar niya is a Giant handlebar connect. Giant handlebar connect. And syempre, automatically, itong shifter niya is the Duray Shimano Duray 10 speed. Actually, ang tamang pag-pronounce yan is Dior. Pero syempre, alam na this. Nakasanayan natin ang Diore. Ayan, and we are here sa ating stem. This is the Giant Connect stem. Talagang gumagano ako, no? Ayan, guys. So, let's go to our fork. Ayan. Siyempre, automatically, itong Giant Talon natin guys is naka non-tapered siya. Well, anyway, okay lang naman yan. Since minsan lang naman to ginagamit sa mga race. Kumbaga, no? So, we have here our Giant SXC, the boosted fork. Ayan. So, ang stanchion nito is 32. Okay, 32 mm stanchions, and nakalagay na rin dito lahat ang mga sizing, travel, offset wheels dia, ride weight. Ayan, kasi ito is already an air fork guys. So meron ding warning nakalagay. Ayan, ang model pala nito is SXC2. Okay. Alright, so meron din siyang rebound adjuster na sa baba guys. And yes, automatically this is boost. However, this is a QR boost. So, let's go to our rim. This is the Giant rim guys. And also gamit niya is the Shimano na hubs, both front and fork. Okay, and the rotor niya is a 180 rotors na nakalagay dyan. And automatically ito tires natin is the Maxxis Recon tires 29 by 2.4 na may maximum na 65 PSI. Ayun. So, dito na naman tayo sa ating saddle. Okay? Sa saddle natin, guys, this is the giant saddle, okay? And this is a 39.1. Ano? What 30? This is a 30.9 seat post, guys, na meron tayo quick release na seat clamp. And napakaganda nito, giant talon na ito, because pwede ka makalagay ng dalawang bottle cage dito. So kasi meron dalawa dito. It's up to you, okay? Ang nakaano lang nito is, this is a square tapered na bottom bracket and uses a pro wheel square tapered type na crank set. So okay lang naman din yun. Meron din tayong stock na mga na pedal in here, okay? Sa body na ito, guys, napakaganda because pag gano'n siya, di ba? Para siyang aerodynamic style. Ganon. But the thing here is that Giant has different sizing sa frames nila. Let's say, ito, medium na ito, katumbas ito sa Trek na large. Gets? Yung small naman ng Giant, katumbas niya yung yung medium ng Trek. Ayun. So, ito na nga, guys, yung tires niya is gamit niya rin is Maxxis Recon 29 by 2.4, the same sa harap. And ano pa ba? The same din yung rims nila. Ito naman is he is using a HG type. Ganito HG type na Shimano 10 speed na chain with a HG Diore na 10 speed na cogs. And automatically this is wait lang. This is Shimano Diore M6000 na RD. So, ayan na guys. Meron din siyang clutch system. Anong clock? So, ito, kung mag-trail ka, pwede mo siyang i-on and i-off mo kung nasa road ka lang. Ang purpose niyan is the flexing ng chain mo or chain slap. Ayan. So, kung mag-trail ka na naka-off ito, syempre, grabe yung chain slap. Ayan o. Pero kung i-on mo yan, yung clutch niya, walang chain slapping nangyayari. Alright, so yan na guys. This is the Giant Talon 1. So hanggang doon lang muna tayo guys. Marami pa tayong bike check. Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Kumpare ko pa naman yan si Sir J ng Bike Check PH. Char lang. Kunwari. Ayun o. So, titignan nyo guys. Napakaganda, di ba? That is the Giant Talon 1. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda titigan guys. But before that, pakitingnan muna natin ang kanyang wheel. Automatic. This is a Shimano hub, so ganito lang ang kanyang boses. That's how it sounds. So hanggang sa muli guys, this is your host. This is Clintix, and you're watching Clintix channel. Hope you like this bike check. You got it all. Wait lang. Alive po eh. You got it on. Bye.